Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be taking a look at some information that has emerged from some third-party sources, but on the Samsung Insights blog post here, and that is that there is a Bluetooth-enabled S Pen now sold separately for the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Now, this article is actually written by a freelance writer that actually doesn't work for Samsung, and the S Pen that is being sold showed up on the UK Amazon page with information showing that it does in fact have Bluetooth controls for air actions and the remote functionality for the camera and stuff like that. But it does look like that this article and that listing are probably false and incorrect because people that were at the Unpacked event did say all accessories that were available for the phone were shown at the event. They were on display, and there was no additional S Pen, and there was no mention of an additional S Pen being sold separately for the S25 Ultra. And it doesn't make sense that Samsung would sell one separately if they're going to remove the hardware from the pen. It wouldn't make much sense for them to leave the hardware in the phone for the pen to charge and stuff like that, because that's not going to save them any money. Just removing the little bit of hardware in the pen and then leaving the hardware in the phone for the few people that would buy the pen just to use it as a remote and stuff like that just doesn't make too much sense. So some other articles and other blogs have reached out to Samsung, their PR contacts, to see whether this is true, that this pen does actually exist. Some people are also saying that they made this S Pen in response to the people complaining that the Bluetooth feature was removed. I don't think that's likely either because the phone was just announced 3 days ago, and it would take much longer than 2 or 3 days to develop a Bluetooth S Pen that fits in the S25 Ultra, and to get one out to market and get the regulatory approval done and all that kind of stuff for it to already be for sale on Amazon. That just doesn't make too much sense. Most likely is not possible for them to do all that to be selling the pen, starting today. So it looks like that article and the Amazon listing probably isn't directly from Samsung. It's probably just a listing that shows the S Pen. It's the same model number that Samsung does have on their own official website that is for sale, that has been for sale since day one. It's the same model number, and it doesn't have any mention of Bluetooth or any of the remote features on the Samsung website whatsoever. It just appears to be the same pen that is being sold or being included with the phone, which we do know for a fact does not have any Bluetooth functionality. Same thing for the S Pen Pro. People who do have the phone already for the review units have confirmed that the menu is gone and that the S Pen Pro does not pair or work with the S25 Ultra. Now, the menu being gone isn't a for certain, confirmation that it doesn't support Bluetooth pens. There are other Samsung menus and stuff like that for like cases and stuff like that, that once the phone detects the case is on, the menu will show up and then it goes away when the case is not present. So it could be that if they do indeed also launch an S Pen with Bluetooth functionality or add support for the S Pen Pro, that the menu may only show up when that pen is connected. But as of right now, there is no official statement from Samsung or anything officially stating that a Bluetooth S Pen exists for the S25 Ultra. That article that was posted on that blog was written by a freelancer, and it was not directly from Samsung or not directly edited by Samsung. So I just want to put that out there for all the people that are thinking this may actually be true. It's looking like it is a mistake on that post part and something up with that Amazon listing. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.